he's a small guy. Yeah. Nice one. Oh, it's a nice one. You guys want this one? Nice one. I'm just gonna take my time. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. No. Not pop. I know, I'm trying to. Yes. I got a fish. Nice brown. Oh, Dad, I'm sorry. Nice, Dad. Garrett got a fish. Big fish. Garrett, that's big. Let the drag go. Alright. Yeah. Alright. He just popped off too. Yeah. Caught that one on a fly rod. Trout magnet. Who wants it? I think it's legal. There you go. No problem. Dad, I was jigging it in. I knew it. Yeah, I was like this. I am? Yeah, Garrett, it's the ground. I'm snagging the ground. That's 5 today. Nice. I got a nice fish. You just letting it drift? You just letting him drift? Coming over. Nice fish, Dad. Alright guys, got the first fish. Oh, you do? Awesome! Double bogey. Oh, he's a nice one. I'm gonna take my time though. He's a nice one. Nice! That's the second one my day. I actually caught one on a fly rod a little bit earlier, but I didn't get it on camera. Awesome fish. And he's hooked right in there. Alright, and he's out. Alright. Alright guys. I'm gonna set him free and you're gonna watch him go. Alright. Here we go. There he goes. You got him too. Nice. Oh, nice brown. Awesome, guys. Awesome.